Here we have a quadratic, but it's not quite in a nice form to solve. So let's get it in that form. We first of all minus 3x from both sides, and then we're going to get the x squared minus 9x plus 15 is equal to minus 5, and then I'm going to add 5 to both sides, and that will give me x squared minus 9x plus 20 equals 0. Notice that this is positive, but this is negative. That's going to mean we have to have double negative, like both negatives in the brackets, if this is going to factorize, which I'm expecting it to. So let's find factors of 20 that give 9 essentially. Well, 1 and 20 doesn't work, 2 and 10 doesn't work, 4 and 5 does work. Minus 4 times minus 5 will give us the 20, and we'll add to the minus 9. Okay, so then either this is 0 or this is 0. X minus 4 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0, and that gives us our solutions 4 and 5. Part B, we've got a triple bracket to expand. So it doesn't matter which ones you expand first, actually, you'd always get the same answer. I'm going to deal with the double bracket, the first two double brackets to start with. Okay, use crab clause, 2x squared plus 10x minus x minus 5. Before I do anything else, simplify this just to make life a little bit easier. Oh, sorry, that should have been a minus 5, misread. Okay, and so this is what this thing is. I now need to work out what 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 times 3x minus 2 is. And we do this in the same kind of way as expanding double brackets. It's just now, it's like I've got 2x squared, 9x and minus 5 along here, and like dividing it into a grid, and then I've got 3x and I've got minus 2. So I'm going to be finding the areas of each of these and then adding them together, just because that's how you would find the ultimate area. And therefore my crab clause just becomes slightly, you know what, I'm going to pause. I didn't draw a crab. I always like to draw a crab. There we go. Okay, I'm going to get this like super crab now on this one. So I'm going to get 6x cubed minus 4x squared from the blue. I meant this to be blue. Then I'm going to do 9x times, that's going to give me 27x squared minus 18x from the green. And then the black is going to be, let's do it down here, minus 15x plus 10. And I've got my uber crab with like 3 claws, and I found these 6 terms. All we need to do now is simplify it. So I've got a 6x cubed term by itself, but then I've got an x squared term here and an x squared term here. That's going to become plus 23x squared. I've got a minus 18x and a minus 15x. That's going to become minus 33x. And then I've got my plus 10. There are other ways of doing it. You could expand the second bracket out first. You could, you might do your crab clause slightly differently to how I've done it. But at the end of the day, this is the correct answer.